Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up email. First, you need to choose an email provider that best suits your needs. Popular options include Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo Mail, each offering unique features. Think about factors like storage capacity, which can be around 15 gigabytes for free accounts, and the level of security provided. Also, consider how well the service integrates with other tools you use daily. Making an informed choice here sets the foundation for a smooth email experience. Once you have selected a provider, the next step is creating your account. Visit their website and look for the Sign Up or Create Account button. You will be prompted to enter some personal details, such as your name and birth date. Crucially, choose a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Finally, select a username that will become your email address, aiming for something professional and easy to remember. After creating your account, you might want to configure some essential settings, especially if you plan to use an email client. Familiarize yourself with IMAP and POP3 protocols. IMAP keeps emails on the server, while POP3 downloads them. You will also need to set up the outgoing mail server, known as SMTP, using the specific address from your provider. For added security, enable two-factor authentication, which provides an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. With your email account set up, you can now access it either through a web browser or by configuring a desktop or mobile email application. Remember to prioritize security. Regularly update your password, ideally every 3 to 6 months, and always be cautious of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or open unexpected attachments. Utilize your email provider's spam filters and block unwanted senders to keep your inbox organized and secure from unsolicited messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.